Right, with this video I'm just going to discuss what a dilation is. These two examples are both dilations. The second one has a dilation and something else going on with it. So in this video we're just going to figure out what the dilation is, and then you should be able to go the other direction and actually plot a dilation. So we have B, so we're going from B to B prime. B is usually the pre-image, B prime would be the other image. So this one has the points written on it. You just want to look and see if, what did I do to the x value to get this x value? And did the same thing work with the y value to get the y value? So when I look at this first problem, if I multiply it by 2, negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. 2 times that is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So my head says this is a dilation of 2. If I multiplied everything by 2, I would have a dilation of 2. So this guy is an example of a dilation of 2. That's how I'd write that. Every corresponding pair of numbers would multiply by 2. So if I multiply these by 2, I would get that. If I multiply these by 2, I would get that. So that corresponds correctly with that. So that's a dilation of 2, and the object stretched, or it got larger. Okay, so this next one, I can see that it's a dilation, but a dilation wouldn't put it where it is at. If I dilated this value, so if I have R is fine, but if I had P, let's say, so point P is 1, 3, and P prime is 3, 3, 9. And, well, actually that works, doesn't it? So, can we see, so R prime is 1, 1, and I'm sorry, that's R. R prime is 3, 3. And then Q, I'm going to put that here, is 3, 1. Q prime is 9, 3. Okay, so if you look at these values, from here to here, what did I multiply by? From here to here, what did I multiply by? From here to here, what did I multiply by? So every x value to the prime x value, every y value to the prime y value. If you look at it, you'll see that each time you did that, you multiplied by 3. So this is an example of a dilation of 3. So if I didn't give you the 1, all you would do is you would take your R point, which is 1, 1, and I would multiply that by 3. So my R prime would be 3, 3. And then I would plot that, and that's what it was. So that's the idea behind a dilation. Both dilations got bigger. If it was a fraction, the dilation would shrink and get smaller. All right.